So hello and welcome. If you want to make nice function and derivative report with this nice picture graph, so please be sure you have installed Texworks and LaTeX, and it's amazing what you can do for your homework and for your job. So as you can see with green color, it's my function, and with red color is my derivative function. So we have document class article. I'm using only two packages, and as you can see, we have a section, function, and second section derivative, and I'm include graphics with my PNG pictures. So thanks for watching, and see you next time with trying this. Bye everyone. I'm using PDF LaTeX. Bye.